Okay, this is John with the young birds, 2014. They are starting to mature now, going through their molts. This is all the plum side. I'll be racing some of these for old bird next year because my race team is big already on the opposite side. I'm racing their brothers and sisters, plus I got some birds from Maui, Molokai, and Oahu that I'm flying for a couple guys. But the youngest birds in here is like a little over 2 months. The oldest is almost 5 months. And some of them just look crazy. Nice colors, going through their molt. It's one of my favorites, this mass face right here. And then that's our cousin right there. The two sisters had one each. One came out mass face, one came out white head. Some nice hens, plenty cocks. This year majority all hens though. Last year I had plenty cocks, this year hens. But really nice birds came out cherry. It's a nice cock up there. That's my strawberry dun right there. Strawberry whitehead. Strawberry. Some of them get like a slight silver color, but the plump in them, so it gives it that strawberry look. Lots of saddles. That's a nice mass face. No plum color, but him and his brother, they look almost identical. But full-blooded fabres. Really nice birds. That's his brother up there. They look identical. It's a big birds, medium birds, small birds, all same family though. Mass face strawberry right there. Plum grizzle, first one so far. Came out nice. There's another strawberry mass face, real pretty. Like one of the youngest ones here, so she's still going through all her molts. That's a nice hen right there. Plum check. Nice birds this year. She's a real beauty too right there. She's a pretty cool bird when she wants to be. So like I said, somebody's gonna race old bird next year. I don't like flying too much plums, but like I said, no more choice already, get too much. So I'm saving these ones for old bird. This is my race team in here. All fabres, my birds. I got a couple from Molokai, from Clay Adachi. I got from Dennis Tavares on Oahu, Mike Francisco from Maui, and I think her name is Isa from Oahu to Dennis Tavares. But they're all looking good. Just got the ones from Molokai settled. Today's the second day they've been out. Got that opal looking color done back there from him. That's the nest meat, the black. The silver, where the silver went. Silver's probably eating. Oh, no, right there the silver. And the splash, where the right there the splash. Came out really nice, these birds. So we'll see what happens this year. Flew all the way multiple Mauis, multiple Wahoos. All the birds came back, flew them every week. But we tried Kauai, no returns. We caught the bad weather again. There was a 2-day bad weather, so kind of bummers. But I keep thinking about it, so it's pretty sad. It's like throwing away good pigeons. They come back week after week, no problem. My birds fight through the rain, whatever. They come home. So for that to happen is a pretty bum deal. That just means one thing, and I know they're not coming back, so which suck. It's a nice bite right there too. When they molt out, they'll look real nice. That's right, I got a couple of birds in here too from my son's girlfriend's dad. Got a few of them, grizzles, whites, a couple blue bars from my friend Don down Paradise Park. He wants to see how they do, so he doesn't fly with us yet, but he will. So I'll fly his birds for him. Here's the hens. Some real nice hens. Even the whites is a plumb line. They just didn't come out plumb. They came out white for some reason, which is fine. That blue bar splash hen back there, where she's under the perch, right there. There she's walking. She's got the yellow counter mark and the green tag on it. She flew young bird all the way every week. Old bird every week. All the island. All Maui and the Waltons. She did real good. To me, she did better as a young bird. She did okay as an old bird. Main thing, they come home. These birds, some of them just feels like weapons, boy. I mean, it's one of those things you gotta feel the pigeons. Beautiful pigeons. I kid you not. That's a beautiful plumb hen right there. And everyone's related to each other. That's one of my oldest hens I get. She's 14 years old. Mass face strawberry, and she's still fertile. Got a few babies off of her this year. Real nice ones. Okay, let's go check out the cock. Ciao, guys. That's a nice strawberry. That birdie's huge. He's like 4 months old. Even that plum right there looks like a plum check, whatever that is. Just two different types of blue. He's nice too. The one back there, beautiful bird. Here's all the young babies, the plums. Here's the cocks, breeding cocks. That one and that blue check is brothers. raspberry plum right there. Beautiful bird. That's the dad right there. The splash raspberry. Got some under here. Mass face. Real nice feathers, clean. And they're still not at their best yet. That's a beautiful blue check right there. I sent some relatives of that blue check to Clay Adachi.